This 2019 Holiday Rambler Navigator 38K, sale pending as a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Holiday Rambler is 38 feet 8 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Carmen Decor interior, sleeps 5, stove-top burner, auxiliary battery, self-contained, TV antenna, external shower, refrigerator, Skylight, LP detector, air conditioning, Colorado detector, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, front dinette, front entertainment, front kitchen, full wall slide, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear entertainment, U-shaped dinette. This 2019 Holiday Rambler Navigator 38K, sale pending, is built on a Freightliner XC-Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.